Catholic Community Services has been privileged to serve Southern Arizona for 75 years.
St. Elizabeth's has an incredible mission. You know, they serve patients that wouldn't otherwise be able to receive medical services because of their financial situation.
Really do it for the patients, and you hear that throughout the clinic. All the people who work here, that comes up again and again, that we really are here for our patients, and they come pretty much before anything else.
I was in a stage where I really needed to be seen by a doctor. It was something that I knew I had to do, or else my health would have deteriorated.
I've been volunteering here for over 20 years. My father-in-law got me to, a dentist here in town, got me to start volunteering. And I'm happy to say a year ago I got my son to start volunteering when he graduated dental school. So we're proud to say we got 3 generations down here at St. E's, and plan to keep going.
What I get out of coming to the center is, you know, it gives me a lot of opportunities to join programs, get off the streets, and if the center wasn't here, I'd probably be either, you know, who knows where, you know, hanging out with the wrong crowd. Coming here and it having its existence, you know, I wouldn't have the opportunities that I have today and success I have today.
I was wondering from day to day, you know, how am I going to feed the children, keep them clothed, you know, provide for them, and also maintain emotional stability for them. And when I came to Pio, it was like just a load had been lifted.
Catholic Community Services strengthens families and supports healthy communities by providing compassionate and respectful health and human services to anyone in need. Covering the 9 counties of Southern Arizona, CCS touches the lives of well over 100,000 people each year. From medical and dental care for uninsured families to public transportation between rural communities, CCS's programs are diverse, depending on the needs of the people and the communities served. But no matter who is being served or where they live, the goal of Catholic Community Services is to help people make long-lasting improvements in their lives.
Well, living in Las Casitas, it was very amazing and very helpful for me. When I started having problems with my husband, I ended up in a shelter. So having a place to stay with my kids, it was wonderful. So I had a very happy moments in there. I had like a freedom. I could feel like I was in my own home, you know. And I didn't have to worry about it because in Las Casitas they have everything. So I didn't have furniture or anything, but they come with all the furniture. When you realize that you don't have anything, having a place like that is a blessing. It's a blessing.
CCS supports families in many ways. Domestic violence shelter and prevention services in Yuma, Sierra Vista, Douglas, and Nogales. Transitional housing for homeless families. Matched savings accounts for families saving to buy a home, continue their education, or start a business. Financial education and free tax preparation. Medical and dental care for uninsured families and individuals. Clothing, food, and emergency assistance. Family and individual counseling. As we live longer and longer lives, caring for older adults becomes increasingly important. Services for seniors include meals delivered to homes and served at area centers, adult day health care and respite care, home health and homemaker services, low-cost housing, case management and counseling, pastoral ministry for nursing homes, assisted living facilities, hospitals and hospice, dentures and eyeglasses, prescription assistance, health education and outreach. CCS cares for the welfare of children with programs for adoption and foster care, child abuse prevention, child care and early childhood education, youth development, medical and dental care including sealants. And working with special populations, CCS reaches out to help individuals and families who face uncommon and diverse issues, community living for people with multiple challenges and disabilities, services for refugees and immigration assistance, ministering to men and women who are in prison, services for the deaf, deaf-blind, and hard of hearing individuals.
There's a lot of things they offer here in COPD. And IS is job development and counseling. And since then, I'm still here with the counseling for my marriage counseling. That one is to help me a better marriage. And also hearing people too. If I have problems with them, a lot of things I don't understand with the hearing world, this is the place to go. Here, set up is to help make the hearing world and the deaf people understand each other. And that's the best thing. And the deaf don't understand what's happening out in the world. That's the way I see it.
Catholic Community Services programs for children, families, elders, and people with disabilities are provided through its 6 agencies and 2 ministries. St. Elizabeth's Health Center, Pio Decimo Center, Catholic Social Service, Southwest Community Services, CCS in Southeastern Arizona, CCS in Western Arizona, Detention Ministry, Pastoral Ministry. With compassionate staff, dedicated volunteers, and generous donors, CCS has been privileged to serve Southern Arizona since 1933. Catholic Community Services, providing help, creating hope, serving all.